I have to show you this thing that I got. It's a hammock. Yeah. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you 6 easy snacks that you can make from the comfort of your own dorm room or kitchen, if you are so lucky to have one. Before we start, I wanted to talk a little bit about how I got groceries today because I think it's very convenient for students. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Drop, which is an app that earns you points whenever you order things or use your favorite apps through the Drop app. So all I did was link my card, and then I just shopped my favorite brands through the app. They kind of have everything. Ulta, if you want makeup. Uber Eats, if you're hungry. What I used was this app called Instacart, which is grocery delivery to your door. It's been really helpful to me because I park at the top level of the parking deck, and it's very hard to transfer groceries. You can also play games to get points. So I played a very riveting game of finger basketball, and I think it's safe to say that I could probably go into this professionally, even though I'm not going to. But I got 14 points from that, in addition to the 3,500 that I got from shopping on Instacart. So if you use the link in my description box now, the Drop app is giving subscribers 10,000 points when you sign up with the code Halle. So, there you go. Download Drop, let's make some snacks. Okay, the first snack I'm going to show you are these 5-ingredient granola bars. You can turn them into balls if that's easier. I like to keep them in little bar forms. Super easy. Let's begin. Mukbang! Here are those granola bars. They're great. If you put them in your freezer, they kind of stay together a little bit better. So good. If you're weird about uncooked oats, don't be. Because when they're in a bar, it's kind of like you're eating one of those little Quaker Oats things that you used to have in high school, but they're a little bit more simple, and I feel like they taste better because you made them yourself. The next thing I'm going to show you how to make are these, which are little seaweed rolls. And then I made a little sriracha mayo. Super easy to make, and they're also really cute. tastes good with everything. This is a universal sauce. So even if you don't make any of these, make sriracha mayo and dip stuff in it. Vegetables, raw vegetables. These that we just made, it will taste good. Great flavor. And bite size. The next thing I'm gonna show you how to make are these mini sweet potato black bean triangles. So if you've seen the viral TikTok trend, it's the same thing, but they're small. So it's a snack and not a meal. So I'm just getting into alfalfa sprouts. I didn't know they existed. I feel like the look of them makes them that much more enjoyable. I mean, even if you don't really like greens, how could you not enjoy eating something that looks like that? Sriracha mayo, one more time. That little pot that I got, I can make so much in that now, and I won't set off my fire alarm, which is fantastic. But you can also eat these uncooked if you wanted to. I think the crisp adds to them though. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you how to make this chocolate protein dip. It kind of tastes like brownie batter, but it's made with chickpeas, which sounds really bad, but it tastes so good. And I think it's because of the dark chocolate cocoa powder. It kind of masks all the weird flavors you get from the beans. And it turns out like this. Last but not least, chocolate protein spread. It's a very unique recipe, but I'm telling you, it tastes like brownie batter. It's so good. Mukbang over. I hope you enjoyed this montage of easy vegan snacks. If you try any of them out, let me know which one's your favorite. I think with vegan recipes you have to get pretty creative, but when you mix a bunch of fresh things together, it works. No oven needed, relatively cheap, student friendly. Cheers. I'll see you next week. Delicious.
Cut.